Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Wednesday, November 27, 2024. Hope you're having a great day. I am heading over to the soap shop to pack up some orders, and Tina and I have a few things to do over there. And then we'll be going back home and getting ready for Thanksgiving tomorrow. So I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to shoot a quick video and tell you that right now you can join Nexus Rewards as a free member. There'll be a link below or above this video, depending on what platform you're watching it on. And you can join for 50% off. It's a Black Friday special, okay? So instead of paying the $49.95 to get started, it's gonna cost you $24.95 to get started, but you have to do it today. It's a great opportunity, all right? This is an opportunity put together by two brothers who have both been in the network marketing industry for well over 30 years. They're good guys. The opportunity is actually a fun opportunity, all right? Because not only does it help you save on things that you're already spending money on, but you can earn money by sharing the opportunity with other people. And even the free members can earn money, all right? But it's for $9.95 a month, and especially where you can get it for 50% off right now, you can become a member. It's much better to do that because you get a lot more benefits, okay? Now this is an opportunity where it's gonna help you save on gasoline, dining, hotels, shopping, travel. I mean, we have a huge travel portal in the back office that you get access to below wholesale cost, okay? And I mean, I was on there checking everything out in my area here, and there were some hotels that you were saving a couple $100 per night. So if you do a lot of traveling, you know, flying, rent cars, all that, the travel portal is really, I mean, just that alone is worth the $9.95 a month membership. But you get so much more inside in your back office. I mean, you literally can save on everything you're already buying. They also have a people that will work on your behalf to lower your bills. All right, so your utility bills, your cable bill, things of that nature. We have a program where this company will work on your behalf to lower those bills, get you a lower cost. All right, they will negotiate on your behalf. On top of that, you can save on dental, auto insurance. I mean, basically everything. And when I say everything, I mean everything, all right? So I have a business card here. Well, I have these drop cards that I use. And these drop cards actually go in the letters I mail out. And then, of course, they fold in half and look like a $100 bill, and you can drop these wherever you are. But this is the information right here. You can go to earnsavelivebetter.com, or you can scan the QR code, all right? And you'll get your information there where you can join for free. And then once you're inside your back office, there will be a button where you can become a full member for 50% off right now. All right, but you got to do it today because the offer is going to end soon. All right, and tonight I plan on doing a live tonight where I'm going to go over the entire opportunity, show you the compensation plan, show you everything you save on, show you the different pages that you get. And I'll just do a brief rundown or overview of the opportunity. But again, it's a great opportunity. It's a fun opportunity because, you know, it's an actual service that you use where you're buying stuff and saving money on everything that you're already buying. You can lower your household bills, and then you can make money by sharing this opportunity with other people. And the cool thing is the company owners are going to be doing a matrix compression, because we have a matrix in our back office that you get paid on. We're going to be doing a matrix compression, and I joined this opportunity back in 2022, and then I moved on because my friend who I was going to be working with in this opportunity unexpectedly and unfortunately passed away. So after that, things just, you know, I lost interest in the opportunity because it just wasn't the same. But you know, but the owners are letting people reactivate their accounts with their original sign updates, and then they're going to rebuild this matrix. So, you know, I got in this opportunity pretty early. So I'm thinking that my matrix has the potential to be pretty full once this compression happens. So anyway, that's it for this video. I just wanted to tell you about this opportunity and tell you that you can get started right now for 50% off by going to earnsavelivebetter.com, putting in your name and address, watch the videos. It'll give you a rundown on how everything works, and then you can get started. You can join as a free member, and then there'll be a button inside your back office where you can upgrade, have full membership benefits for 50% off. $24.95 to get started, and then $9.95 a month. You can't beat it. It's worth every penny. So even if you don't plan on sharing the opportunity with other people, you can easily earn your $9.95 a month back just in savings, okay? So I hope you have a great rest of your day. I do plan on doing a live video tonight, so keep an eye out for that if you follow me on YouTube and Facebook, and I will talk to you soon. So thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.